Before you spend over £1,000 on a Samsung The Frame TV for your bedroom, there is one thing worth knowing. It cannot do this. Samsung. The Frame is one of the most searched televisions right now, and for good reason. The matte display, the artwork mode, the flush wall mount that makes it look like a painting when you are not watching. It is a genuinely considered product. This video is not here to tell you it is bad. It is here to show you what a £1,000 television cannot do, and what a pocket projector can. By the end of this, you will know exactly which one changes how your bedroom looks, and which one changes how your bedroom feels. Those are two different things, and the answer to each one is different. Here is what the Frame TV delivers. A sharp, bright, anti-glare display. Artwork on screen when the TV is off. A clean flush mount that removes the black rectangle problem most televisions have. Samsung's own operating system with streaming apps built in. For pure image quality and daytime use, it is an excellent television. That is not in dispute. Here is what it cannot do. It sits on one wall permanently. It needs a wall mount. It needs installation. It needs to stay exactly where you put it. The image is always rectangular. It always reads as a screen. The room around it does not change. The ceiling stays the same. The wall beside it stays the same. You are always looking at a television, even when it is showing art. The Frame solves the problem of how one wall looks. It does not solve the problem of how the room feels. Now for what actually happens in a bedroom with the simplifytech Cine-X. There are no cables, no installation, no wall damage, no Fire Stick, no Chromecast, no streaming stick plugged into the back of anything. The Cine-X runs Android 11 built in. Open Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video directly on the projector itself. Everything lives on the device. Nothing extra to buy, nothing extra to plug in, nothing extra to set up, or mirror your iPhone or Android wirelessly if you prefer. Either way, you plug it in, point it at the wall, and the room changes in seconds. Plug in, point, done. The image does not sit inside a frame on one wall. It fills the wall entirely, edge to edge, floor to ceiling. When the content moves, the room moves with it. Warm light from a coastal sunset shifts from amber to gold across the ceiling. The wall beside you catches the reflection. The floor changes color. Nothing in the room stays the same. That is not a television experience. A television shows you something. This puts you inside something. Now point it at the ceiling. Open any app on Android 11. No phone needed. No stick needed. Ocean waves above you while you lie in bed. A slow forest canopy. Open sky. You are not looking at a screen anymore. You are lying underneath it. The Frame TV has no mounting position that achieves this. No accessory, no price tier. The television is always on a wall in front of you. The Cine-X goes anywhere you point it. The Frame TV weighs over 20 kilograms and requires a wall mount. The Cine-X fits in a jacket pocket. Android 11 on board means your entire streaming library travels with it. Take it to the living room tonight. Take it outside this weekend. Take it traveling. Same apps, same content, same wall-filling image, wherever you are. No sticks to pack, no dongles to forget. So here is the honest split. Samsung. The Frame is the right choice if you want the best image quality, a clean art display during the day, and a flush television that looks intentional on your wall. It is a premium product, and it earns that price on those terms. The simplifytech Cine-X is the right choice if you want your bedroom to feel like a different place entirely. Android 11 built in, Netflix, YouTube, every streaming app downloaded directly, no sticks, no extra devices. Wireless mirroring from your iPhone or Android if you want it. Pocket-sized, works on any wall or your ceiling. Sets up in seconds with no installation and no wall damage. These are things the Frame TV cannot do. Not at a higher price. Not with an accessory. Just cannot do them. That is not a criticism of a £1,000 television. That is just the physical reality of what a television is and what a projector is. Your bedroom ceiling. Slow ocean light moving above you. Netflix open directly on the device. No stick in the wall. No cables crossing the room. No mount. The whole space shifting color as the scene breathes. Nowhere to be. A room that does not feel like a room anymore. That is not something a Samsung The Frame TV delivers. That is something this does. Think about what a TV costs. Think about the wall mount, the installation, the permanent hole in your wall. Now look at what the simplifytech Cine-X costs. Fairly cheaper than any TV that comes close. Ships worldwide, free, straight to your door. 6-month warranty from the day it arrives. And 30 days to try it in your actual bedroom. Not a showroom, not a review studio, your room, your wall, your conditions. If after 30 days it is not sitting on your nightstand every single night, send it back. Full refund. No forms, no waiting, no questions. You are not buying a projector. You are trying one for free for a month. simplifytech.shop.